too corroded. We need an alternate point. Use the reinforced mount by the control arm. Confirmed, clear on the left side.
Ratcheting the front strap now.
Rear secured, anchor point engaged. Looks solid, ready for transport.
Transport, you are clear on the left side. Acknowledge.
Roger that. Backing up now.
Prep the diagnostic equipment, let's get a baseline
Predictive
scan.
model suggests 40% substrate replacement on the lower body.
Acknowledged. We'll start with a full laser ablation once it's in Bay 3. According to the Future Mine diagnostic, we prioritize the rear quarter panel. Agreed. Let's prep the welding station.
This floor pan is heavily oxidized. The body mounts are completely gone. We need to replace this entire crossmember. The corrosion here is extensive. We can't save this section. No, it's too far gone. We'll have to replace the entire crossmember. Here, the digital readout confirms the alignment is precise. Good, the straightage show the structural component is perfectly level.
We have significant fatigue cracking here on the steering mount.
Yes, that will require a full section replacement during fabrication.
The gap on the front passenger side is holding steady at 3 millimeters.
That matches the factory specs.
Confirmed on the contour alignment here at the rear quarter.
Bring the rear down 5 millimeters.
Confirmed. Front mounts are aligned.
Firewall clearance looks good on my side.
The gap on the hood is still slightly wide.
Let's adjust the hinge plate on the passenger side.
Guide coat confirms the surface is absolutely flawless.
And the straightage shows 0 deviation on this panel gap.
The contours match the template perfectly.